we are going to make kimchi. So for 2023, I am the global kimchi, one of the global kimchi ambassadors for the World Institute of Kimchi. And so in honor of this role, we and this little team of lovely humans here are going to make kimchi. And we're going to make kimbap. But, you know, kimbap is just to give us something to snack on while we're finishing the kimchi. And the team is Darnisha, better known as Nish. Many people who watched the stream will recognize. Nidhi, who many people will recognize. Do, who spent all his time in the back of the classroom, so many people wouldn't recognize. So, Leah, who many will recognize, and of course, the esteemed Dr. Mulvey, known as my boss and my wife. All right. We want to do it. I'm going to just direct everything, and you all are going to do the work. And I'll just sit back and watch and make sure it's all going according to plan.
So the Kimchi Ambassador is not making his own
The Kimchi Ambassador is not making his own kimchi. Yeah. So we're making a fast, we don't have a lot of time, so we're making a fast kimchi, a mak kimchi.
저희가 미국에 있고 빨리 만드는 방법을 사용하다 보니까 전통적인 방식의 김장은 아니지만 막김치라고 하는 그런 김치 만드는 방법을 한번 이용해서 김치를 만들어 보겠습니다.
So I like to cook and I never ever follow recipes. And so this is the Sam Richards Social 19 crew version of mak kimchi. So we'll see what happens. But now we put the cabbage in here in the salt water and we just keep kind of moving it around. And I think I probably have too much salt water. Actually, we don't need this much, but it's okay. So we let the cabbage sit for 2 hours
2시간 동안 소금에 배추를 절여놨는데요.
and we rinsed it
그리고 깨끗하게 씻고
and then we made the paste.
만들어 놓은 속재료를 지금 막 섞은 상태입니다.
First off, I've never made kimchi. This is the first time. But I like doing things with my hands.
처음
Like
김치를
this?
담가보는 건데 손으로 원래
Yeah.
섞는 걸 좋아하신나 봐요.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah, you really feel like you're in the food, you know? It feels really nice. Feels like it's part of you. You know, like sometimes when I'm cooking, I want to feel like the food is part of my body, you know?
What does that mean? That's what I was thinking. Wait, so we're feeding each other? Yes. Okay. Oh, spicy.
진짜 맛있는데.
Ah, good.
Good.
Very nice. Wow.
We're going to distribute the kimchi to all of the kimchi helpers.
김장이 끝나고 나면 친척들이랑 김치를 나눠 먹곤 하잖아요. 저희는 김치를 담근 사람들끼리 김치를 나눠서 가져가 보도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah, awesome.
그리고 맨손으로 하면 편하니까 그냥 맨손으로 할게요.
And I get,
Clean rag if you need to.
yeah, look at that. Yeah, then I get to put my hands in the kimchi even more. You know, I've always been personally fascinated by thoughts about how human beings were able to survive in really cold winters and really hot summers without things like jackets and, and how they, in particular, how they were able to find food in the winter months. And, I think about kimchi as the perfect food in a way, right? Because you can preserve vegetables, and vegetables that aren't meant to be preserved in a way, and do it in a way that the vegetables are healthy and really good for the intestinal system. And I think, how amazing is it that you've got this food that can do that? And so I'm naturally just drawn to kimchi out of my own curiosity for how it helped Koreans to survive in those cold winter months. But I also personally really like kimchi. I like the taste, and it's one of my favorite foods. It's my favorite Korean food, actually. And I have kimchi all the time here in the US. So I appreciate everything that kimchi is. Okay, so I'm leaving for Korea next week. I'll be there from the 3rd until the 24th of May, and then I return in June. And what an awesome summer, because I get to go to Korea 2 times. And I hope to see some folks there. And it's going to be a great experience. Lots of kimchi.